Hey friends, it's Angie. Today I did a very simple and cute Aegyo Sal look. Aegyo Sal is a Korean beauty trend in which you give yourself the appearance of having puffy eyes. This makes you look very cute and happy. To start this look, I popped in some brown circle lenses from Pinky Paradise. I prepped my skin with maracuja oil. I moisturized with Dermalogica Intensive Cream and primed my face using NYX's Honey Dew Me Up Primer. Using my LA Girl Pro Orange Concealer, I erased some dark spots and blemishes. I spritz some Mario Badescu spray on my sponge and blend out that corrector. Using my favorite Born This Way foundation, I even out my skin and give it a dewy, natural finish. I'm concealing using Vanilla Born This Way concealer. Because I love this stuff so much, I'm applying some of the Radiant formula just under the eyes for some brightness. I'm using my NYX setting powder to set under the eyes, and I like to use a damp sponge to make sure that area does not get cakey. I'm setting my face with Maybelline Loose Fit Me powder, and I'm using a pressing and rolling motion all over my face, so I really set that powder into the skin without disturbing any of the concealer and foundation I have on underneath. This stuff smells so good. I'm using my Chocolate Soleil bronzer to softly contour my cheeks, jaw, and nose. Eyebrows done. I'm taking this color from my Carly Bible palette and applying it all over the lid and up into the brow. Taking this neutral shade, I'm going right over that base and covering the entire lid. I'm using my fingers to softly blend out any harsh lines. Taking this shade, I'm working it gently into my crease. And with a slightly darker shade, I'm focusing on the outer V and bringing that into my crease ever so slightly. I'm using the champagne color to highlight my inner corner and right under my brow bone. I'm using my NYX Wonder Pencil right in my waterline to open up the eyes and make them appear larger, as if they really needed to. Now for the Aegyo Sal, I'm taking the same crease shades I used on my eye to pretty much contour out a puffy bag under our eyes. Don't worry, I know that sounds scary, this is going to end up looking really cute. I take those shadows and run them underneath my eyes where I naturally have a slight puff. As you can see there, I'm taking the brush and pressing it right against the natural crease I have and really darkening up that area to give you a shadow. Using my NYX Wonder Pencil, I'm going above that shadow and adding a highlight. This is going to emphasize the puff even more. I'm going back in with some extra shading just to touch up. And there you have our Aegyo Sal. It's really easy, super cute. Makes your eyes look so big and happy. Okay, using this crazy device, I'm raking through my eyelashes, pretty much combing out any old mascara or glue that sometimes gets stuck in there. And I'm giving my lashes a good curl. Using my Better Than Sex mascara, I'm generously coating my upper and lower lashes. I love this palette because it's such an obvious knockoff, but it's so cute. I'm taking this really pink color and flushing up my cheeks as well as my nose. Using this shade from the Alamod Cosmetics palette, I'm giving myself a beautiful glow. I mean, look at that. Using this disgusting e.l.f. eyebrow kit palette that I desperately need to replace, I'm drawing on some freckles around my nose. Just dotting them on there and blotting out the excess with my fingers and going over it with a beauty sponge to lighten it up even more. Taking Unicorn Blood by Jeffree Star, I'm applying that right in the center of my lips and then blending it out with my fingers to get a gradient effect, or what is also called the bitten lip effect. I'm hitting the edges of my mouth with the excess that's left over on my beauty sponge just to make my mouth look even smaller, and using this thick ass gloss to go over the center of my lips. A quick spritz of dewy setting spray, and this look is finished. I love it so much, guys. It's so cute and simple. I could wear this every day. If you enjoyed this look, please remember to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell notification so you can get notified every single time I make a video. I'll see you next time.